Sometimes it's full. Where do you want me to sign it?
Anywhere.
You got the hoodie on. You got
I got
stickers. Also, Benton says camber snowboard for life. Guys, literally the whole day was set up for that last run. What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to another gorgeous Colorado day with our boy Benton, who's distracting me.
Do you see the wall ride?
So this is what it's like working with Benton, guys. It's like, I'm trying to talk to you, he's trying to show me something that I'm gonna see anyways. He couldn't wait. Come on, Benton.
The park's completely new.
We have no expectations for today other than have fun. So let's send it.
The whole park's new, dude. Look at it.
Why do I gotta hit my head that hard? It was such a mellow fall.
Dude, that looked...
Other than smacking the crap out of my head.
That looked brutal.
It was.
Are you okay? You got a headache?
Not yet, but that, I mean, I know my goggles are all full of crap. And it's frustrating when you, like, that was a mellow fall. Like, those falls happen. You slip out, you're off balance. The camber snowboard is so different. Riding rails with a camber snowboard, it's probably the hardest thing to do on a camber snowboard. So to have a fall where it's just like, oh, I slip out, and then it's like whack the crap out of your head, it makes no sense. All right, so a lot happened with that slam, so let's go over a couple of things. Wear a helmet, kids. That was like the most mellow, slow-paced fall of all time, and I got absolutely rocked just by the nature of slamming your head backwards. So helmets save lives. That could have been exponentially worse if I wasn't rocking a helmet. Thankfully, I got a nice Smith helmet on. It's brand new. Took that impact nice and smooth. I will double check my helmet after today to make sure I don't need to replace my helmet, because if you damage the helmet, everything like that, then you need to replace it, because that's not going to work again. Next, my lenses popped off. You're like, what the heck? I do have magnetic lenses, Kuno Optics. They're super sick. Now, sometimes when you hit your head in the perfect spot, it just causes the lenses to pop off. Not a big deal. They didn't get scratched or anything. These goggles are super sick. They're $70. They are linked in the description. But one thing I didn't do is wipe all the snow and stuff out of my lens. I went to the bathroom and I blew it dry, because I don't want to rub the anti-fog off of these lenses. If I do that, then the lenses are kind of trash. They'll start fogging on me a bunch. So just so you know, that's a little pro tip of the day for you. And yeah, don't smoke your dome on a small rail. That was super. I get frustrated with stuff like that because falling isn't fun. And it like didn't need to happen. It's also a little frustrating when you jump to a new snowboard, like a new profile. This thing is stiff. It's powerful. It's aggressive. It's what I want, but it changes my riding. So I just gotta get used to it again. All right, guys, I would be lying to you if I said I wasn't uncomfortable on this snowboard. But the biggest thing about that is it's so good to push your comfort zone. I was riding at a very comfortable level for the majority of the season. We were traveling, having fun. The whole point was like travel out and get around. Well, now it's like, it's about to be springtime, it's about to be send time, it's about to be super fun time. Let's push the comfort zone. Let's get out of what was normal and comfortable and let's start sending it. Now, I did want to be on a camber snowboard at the beginning of the season, and I had a whole custom snowboard design, all that stuff. All that fell through with the company I was supposed to be working with. So I just like bit the bullet and I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna rock this camber snowboard. It's got the grab map on it, by the way. And the whole point is I need to fix some stuff with my riding. Like, everybody always has something that they can work on. For me, I need to work on popping when I hit a jump. I don't really do that. I kind of let the jump send me. So I need to work on popping, because if I pop, I'll be able to grab better. And then I need to, when I rotate, have my shoulders open and kind of get that wind up and then throw. I'm not really winding up when I throw my spins. I'm kind of closed shoulder, and I'm so used to doing it that way, but it's not the right way. I need to fix it, I need to correct it. So I'm taking all these bad habits and kind of trying to break them down. So that's why we're riding the smaller park at the moment, because I'm getting used to a new snowboard and I'm trying to think on popping off these little jumps and opening my shoulder and rotating. And so my riding is looking sloppy, but I'm taking stuff that I've had quote unquote on lock and breaking it down and making it almost worse to bring it back better. So it's a crazy way to think about it. But I want you guys to know I'm always working on my snowboarding. I'm always trying to become the best snowboarder possible. I am self-taught, so it's all right. I have a lot of bad habits, and we're just gonna fix them. Also, Benton says, camber snowboard for life.
Camber snowboard for life.
You know what else is for life? Today's sticker shout out, we got cheddar_riders_bike with 3 Evolution stickers, the park one, and then the Evolution t-shirt. Dude, thank you so much for snagging so much Evolution merch, support in the dream, as well as we got Eladon with the ski Evolution sticker. We do have ski versions of the sticker as well. But guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. And if you do snag any of them, tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But if you're also not following my Instagram, you're messing up. You're missing out on bonus content. So follow my Instagram for extra bonus content, as well as you'll know we're riding Copper today if you're following the Instagram. So if you're at Copper, you can come say what up to me. It's starting to get windy on this chairlift. So follow the Instagram before the wind does something, I don't know. Follow my Instagram. That last little jump right there is exactly why we want to go to camber snowboard. The pop, everything felt so smooth with it, and then the landing was like, and the snowboard did a lot of the work and like landed the trick for me. And that's why we're trying to get on camera. That's why I'm trying to work on this stuff. It's goofy right now, I'm struggling in some ways, but we're gonna get it figured out when we're throwing down. It also really improves my carving. Like, I like to carve and carve better by being on a camber board. All right, guys, we've had a sick day despite the park being so busy. The last 2 times we've come here, they're doing Rev Tour, which is like a competition, like a competition Benton used to compete in, actually. So the park is just busier. That's the main reason why we kind of been riding Peace Park, on top of, I still got to get used to this snowboard, but I'm so happy we came out and we just have been getting more comfortable with it. We're trying to work on grabs. My grabs are bad, but I want to have like really steezy grabs when I'm rotating. So breaking it down so we can build it up. I've had a sick day. Benton's had a sick day. It's been a fun day.
It's been a sick day. It's been a long day, but look at the sun.
It's a gorgeous day. It's so hard to leave on it. It's so sunny like this. It's only going to get better too. Spring is coming. I'm so excited for sunny snowboarding. This one's Chipmunk, guys. So one more. Let's get it. Guys, we got Shiley. She's repping a sticker too.
Yep.
Let's go. Where do you want me to sign it?
Anywhere.
That was so awesome and crazy. I've never really give people an autograph. I know, it's so new to me. I'm just a guy snowboarding. Guys, literally the whole day was set up for that last run. Like that last run made my day for sure. Doing front 3 melon, I've never tried front 3 melon. Did it on that weird hip, money. And then just doing it on the regular jump, that was awesome. Getting another back 7 on that little jump. Dude, this was a sick day. And just so you guys know, because I'm working on my grabs, I got my grab map on my snowboard. So we got nose, crail, mute, indie, stalefish, melon. So I know where all my grabs are, seatbelt, tail. So if you're struggling with grabs, that grab map is in the description. Just slap it on your board, then you can come out practice your grabs once you learn them. It's a sticker, you just peel it right off. It's so sick. And guys, on the note of getting better at snowboarding, don't forget about snowboard camp in June. 1st and 2nd week in June, linked in the description. If you guys want to get better at snowboarding and get coached by me, come to snowboard camp. It's an all-inclusive camp. Airbnb, food, lift tickets, coaching. It's all in the description. Definitely sign up for camp. It'll be one of the greatest experiences of your life. I can promise you that. We do a bunch of fun activities. We do video breakdown. It's so sick. I want to make this bus so bad. Bus. Just so you guys know too, this is what Benton's been riding with all day. Think you need a new board, dude?
It'll last the rest of the season.
Also, guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. By smashing like, the almighty YouTube algorithm will bless this video, share it with more people. More people will see it, the more people will subscribe, and we should at this point have hit 70,000 subscribers this season, which is an absolute insane number because that means we doubled in size. To think it took 4 years to hit 35,000 subscribers and then 1 season to hit 70. It's just mind-blowing. It's crazy how many of you guys joined Team Buckhouse this season. I'm so thankful. And if you're new to the channel, you should join. Hit that subscribe button. My goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible. The vlogs, I kind of break down my progression and what I'm working on, but I drop how-to videos. I should have dropped a how to duck walk video. It's how to move around on your snowboard, kind of run on it. It's really important to know if you're getting into snowboarding, how to really run around and move on your snowboard. This parking lot is becoming a mud pile. Oh, there's a river. Woohoo! That's not my FJ. The last thing I want to know too is, when does your season stop for you? So many people kind of drop off around this time. February is over, or it's March, going into April, the resorts start to close. But dude, May, June, July, you can still be snowboarding. So when does your season stop? Because I'm going to show you guys how to snowboard all season long. Yeah, I heard Minnesota, the season might be ending next week. Like, what's going on with that? So comment down below, does your season literally end when your resort closes and then you just stop watching snowboarding? Or are you going to keep watching all summer? Because I swear, I'm going to be pumping out some sick content this summer, despite having a baby and going to be taking paternity leave type thing. I got to help the wife with the new baby. But then we'll be back at the daily grind for 3 years straight. And I still will post videos. They'll probably just be very mellow videos. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't gotta keep evolving. Keep evolving. And as always, we'll see you next time. I don't know, I messed that one up.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need.
Just in case it happens again.
You just stand up.